I'm Slater, not copying this guy. In today's video, I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers because Bentley, my sister, was playing Subway Surfers and that got a lot of views. And I don't know, I'm going to try playing Subway Surfers, see if she's better than me or not. So, I don't know. Button spamming. I'm gonna try to beat her best. And her best, it's like 100,000, I think, or 12,000. It's either 120,000 or 10,000. I'm not sure. Never mind. Not gonna beat it that run. One of you tell me how I get. If you see, I'm on Poké right now because I don't know how to get the actual Subway Surfers. So if one of you could tell me, then that would be nice. I think I'm sweating a little bit too much. I'm being a try-hard, I think. Little Mitch of us try-hard. I think the goal is to stay high ground because then there's like less like deaths, like getting trapped, because you can like get trapped. You feel me? No? My least favorite part is the part where you have to go like in and out and in and out and in and out and in and out. Don't like that part. I'm sweating too much. I'm jumping mid-air and then I'm canceling my jump. Yeah. Ba, ba, ba. Okay. Extra sweaty mode. Extra sweaty mode. I will get the new high score. I will do it. Probably not. I will do it. Probably won't do it. Boing. Slow commentary. I'm sorry. I don't know what to talk about this game. But if you're watching and you're not subscribed, subscribe because I'm almost at 20 whole subscribers. That's crazy. 20 whole subscribers is crazy. Getting faster now. Getting faster. Spamming. Hey, this is my least favorite part where I have to go in and out. In and out. In and out. You know I'm sweating when I'm silent. My keyboard is drenched right now. To be honest, I'm not even that high. I will beat Bentley's high score. I will do it. Okay, so for some reason my recording stopped because, I don't know, this popped up. Guys, I was not recording the whole time. But if I have proof here, I thought I was recording the whole time, but I wasn't. And I have proof. If you look before, this was at 12 something, and now it's at 14. But just for proof, I'm gonna beat it again. Just speed this up. It seems so slow now. So slow. Guys had to believe me. I thought I was recording the whole time because on the recording, I think if it's an X then, or if it's a square then it's not recording, and if it's a circle it's recording. But it's the other way around, and I didn't know that. So, but if you go back and you check, that says 12,000, and I beat the score of whatever the score was of 12,000, and now I got 14,000. But just to prove you guys that are gonna be like blah 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 blah, I'm going to beat her score again. I like rolling. Roly poly, roly poly, roly poly, roly poly, roly poly, roly, 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 roly poly, psh, poly, psh, roly. I think I'm dead. Yep. Free ad. Sorry, you guys have to experience the ad. Get Party Tunes now for only $13.99. There better not be a train here. Okay, good. I watched the ad because that wasn't fair, because it kind of was fair, but that's okay. Because I hate it when that happens, because you're just stuck there forever. Just there. I will become the world's best player in the whole wide world at some point. I won't, but that's okay. I'd like to say I'm trying to, but I'm not. Silence equals sweat. And that is true. So our score was, I think I'm dead here. Yeah. Okay. I don't care. I'm beating this for content purposes. Her score was 12, and then I beat it and I got 14. No, I'm using another key. I am doing it. She might have not had keys, but I did it first try with watching one ad, and I beat her score with using no keys. So that means I get to use keys, because why not? I think I beat it. Why do I still have my booties? I don't like my booties. Yep, okay. I'm spending four keys. Now, get that coins. And new high score. See, I proved it. Point to all y'all. Now, get wrecked. I beat Bentley's score. So, tell me how, like, this is not, like, believable. Tell me how I get Subway Surfers on computer in the comments. Goodbye. I just beat Bentley's score. Peace. I don't know. Bye.